Hi all, I am Quick from QuickITDotNet and today we are going to understand how should we use Bootstrap in Express.js. To understand this, what we am going to show you here, if I will go and add one class in index.jet file like alert, I will add alert alert dash alert alert dash info. This we know this is bootstrap class, and if I will add this and I will see reload this, you will see this class got added, but there is no impact because bootstrap is not there in this particular project. So how to install that? So to install that, what should we do? First, what we will do, we'll install from npm install dash dash save, and we'll say bootstrap. Okay, if I will add this, and now if I will see that in our bootstrap folder, okay, if I will see that in our boots node module bootstrap folder will have this folder will have bootstrap.css. I can add this thing into my app.js file as a static file. How to add this? Like this, app use, okay, slash css, and here I can provide the full path and node underscore modules slash, what we have to do, bootstrap slash css, bootstrap slash, actually this is inside, we'll see again, bootstrap slash dist slash css. Okay, now what we have to do, we should go to layout and we should add this here, control C, and in layout we'll add css slash bootstrap. I can add any one of the file, either I can add bootstrap.css or bootstrap.min.css. This is my choice. So I'm in development time, so I will add the bootstrap.css only. And if I will run now this application, okay, again by using npm start, okay, let's see that, and I will refresh this, it should have bootstrap included here. Thank you. We provide multiple technology training. If you want to learn anything, you can contact us. Thank you.